What if I tell you that it's possible to score close to full marks even though you did not balance your income statement and balance sheet? Hi, my name is Alex Quack, the POA 10-year series author, as well as the principal tutor at Your POA. Now, over the last 13 years, I have transformed close to 400 students who are struggling with principles of accounts to score a distinction grade within a short period of time. Just in 2019 alone, 7 out of 10 students actually scored a distinction grade. This is way above the national average for last year's for O-levels as well as for N-levels. All of these students started off with zero or close to little accounting knowledge. This is actually possible because I have a proven framework that has been in place to transform students who are less motivated to do well in their studies. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is mainly because that during the circuit breaker, it's disheartening to hear from my fellow students that some other students are not receiving as much help for this subject. And because of this unprecedented situation like this, we have managed to transform our business model by providing lessons to students at the comfort of your house. And we know how to go about doing it because we have customized our online platform to make our lesson more effective. And this is in combination of printed notes delivered to your place. Understand that this is probably the last 1 or 2 examination of the current POA syllabus. My aim is to help more students to do well for their coming examination. With less than 4 months to the GCE examination, what Your POA has lined up for you is a series of revision workshops for students with zero or no accounting knowledge. And with the experience that we have from the home-based learning during the circuit breaker, we are now more confident to reach out to students in Singapore who is struggling with principles of accounts to better prepare for their GCE examination. If you wish to find out more, please click on the link below. We will urge you to give us a call immediately or leave your interest, and we will get in touch with you shortly and share with you how we can go about to help you to do well for your exams in 4 months. Once again, my name is Alex Quack. I wish to make a difference in you.